I'm going to show you how to make crispy sesame chicken.
With a very simple and quick preparation, we obtain a dish that everyone loves. Cut 2 chicken breasts into thin cutlets. This allows for quick and even cooking. Put them in a bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, mix, and let it rest while preparing the breading. Prepare first a plate with 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, a second with 2 beaten eggs, and a plate with panko breadcrumbs. They are light and crispy. Add half teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of black sesame seeds. You can use raw or roasted sesame seeds. Crush 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Also add it, as well as 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of paprika. Mix. This breadcrumb will give a crust with lots of flavors and colors. First of all, coat each piece of chicken with the flour. Then put it in the egg. The flour helps the egg stick to the chicken. Then cover with the breadcrumbs. The egg allows the breadcrumbs to stick. Preheat half an inch of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Let them brown for 3 minutes. Flip them and leave 3 more minutes. The Japanese panko breadcrumbs are made from crustless bread, steamed and dried in an oven. They are very airy and therefore become very crispy when cooked. You can replace them with common breadcrumbs. Place the chicken on a rack. Cut them into small pieces. With the rest of the breading, you can make potato or sweet potato breaded fries. The method is the same as for the chicken. Bon appétit! The chicken pieces are delicious. There is a subtle coriander and turmeric flavor. Sesame seeds hold up when through frying. They'll become crispy without burning. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.